We interrupt this program. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the British government. This is not a test. The Queen has lost her senses and has escaped the British compound. Do not approach her. If you see the Queen, take shelter and barricade all openings until the authorities recapture her. If she so happens to break into your place of shelter, you must not move, and you must remain silent, as she only sees and attacks things that move. Do not attempt to attack her. Doing so will accomplish nothing and will only result in her becoming more aggressive. It is imperative that you remain calm during this time.